Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening your device settings and navigating straight to the keyboard panel. This is where corrections live. Once there, find Auto Correction and Predictive Text. These two controls determine automatic fixes. Toggle Auto Correction off to stop automatic replacements. Leave Predictive Text if you still want suggestions. Make sure to back up or note important text replacements you have set, because turning features off won't delete user replacements, but changing keyboards might. This first step stops instant auto changes while keeping suggestions available. Once done with the basic toggle, dive into advanced options so the change sticks across apps. Open text replacements or personal dictionary and remove or edit entries that trigger unwanted corrections. This prevents repeated auto replacement. If you use a third-party keyboard like Gboard or SwiftKey, open that app settings and disable autocorrect there as well, because app-level settings override system defaults. Make sure to review language keyboards. Extra language packs can reintroduce corrections if active, so disable any you don't use. Finish by restarting your device so all keyboard changes apply consistently. This flushes cached behavior. If corrections persist, reset the keyboard dictionary or clear the keyboard app cache to remove learned corrections that keep reappearing. Make sure your OS and keyboard apps are up to date. Outdated software can ignore settings. If problems continue, reinstall the keyboard app or switch temporarily to the system keyboard. Troubleshooting tip: if stray corrections remain, reset all settings or perform a keyboard dictionary reset before more drastic steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.